Hi, I'm Scott, and today I'm excited to show you our Delightly Office Zen Kit. Every kit is hand-selected and ready to give, whether that's to your recipient's desk or directly to their doorstep. Packed securely within this magnetic closure box is the perfect gift to tackle stress. This kit is specifically curated for those looking to close their eyes and find their Zen by saying Om. They're sure to take note of your appreciation with this soft touch journal. This is the perfect item to release stress by writing down your thoughts. Ready to enhance their appreciation? Keep their senses alert and your mind clear with our bamboo and Neroli reed diffuser. There's nothing more Zen than a sage smudge. Center your thoughts by burning blue floral sage, which can be used for energy cleansing or simply for aroma pleasure. Not to play favorites, but the real star of this kit is the mini USB humidifier. Compact and convenient to use in the office or at home. When a day is filled with stress, this portable humidifier is the perfect desk accessory to recenter yourself. Last but not least, all of our Delightly kits include a 3x5 card featuring a sweet sentiment. The back is blank for you to add a personal note or leave as is for ready-to-go giving. This kit is the perfect gift for anyone looking to find their Zen. Maybe you just want to say thank you to a colleague. This kit is sure to remove bad energy and bring on positive vibes, transforming your day.